Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to change outfit color in Photoshop. First, you need to open your image in Photoshop and then use the quick selection tool. So, um, once you click the quick selection tool, carefully select the outfit you want to change the color of. So here, now make sure to select it as accurately as possible, just like this. Now once you're done selecting the outfit, go to your layer and choose create new fill or adjustment layer, and then select hue and saturation. Now don't forget to click this checkbox here, and then you can then edit the color of the outfit that you want to change. See? It's very easy, right? So to make the color change look more natural, you can adjust the saturation and lightness sliders as well. Play around with these sliders until you achieve the desired color and the brightness for your outfit, like this. And that's it! You now know how to change the color of your outfit in Photoshop. It's a simple but powerful technique to give your photos a fresh look or try out different clothing colors without the need for an extra wardrobe. Before you go, remember that practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a bit of trial and error to get the color just right. With some patience, you'll be a pro at this in no time. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to change outfit color in Photoshop. See you on my next video.